Google Chrome is by far the world's most popular web browser with more than 3.2 billion users and a 64% of desktop market share. Most of the people find Chrome to be more convenient than the other browsers. So, you have just purchased a new laptop. Now you want to install Google Chrome. Let's see how to install it in your Windows 10 or 11 PC. The process is similar. First, you need to open Microsoft Edge browser, which comes with Windows built in. You will find the shortcut here. If the shortcut is not there, you can just open the search bar and type Edge and open it by clicking on it. Let's open Edge browser by double-clicking on the shortcut. Now, on the address bar, type Google Chrome. Go to the first link. Direct link to this website is also in the description. Now uncheck the box and click on the download button. Chrome setup file has been downloaded. The setup file is less than 2 megabytes. This file is stored in your download folder. Now click on the three-dot menu and go to Downloads. Click on the Open file. Click on Yes. Installation process of Google Chrome has started. It will take some time to download and install Chrome. Keep patience and make sure you don't get disconnected to the internet. As you can see, Chrome has been successfully installed. Now, you can directly sign into the Chrome with your email ID and Chrome will start syncing your saved passwords, bookmarks, etc. Or you can do it later. If you want Chrome to be pinned on your taskbar, just right-click on Chrome shortcut and click Pin to Taskbar. Now it's pinned to your taskbar. Let's set Chrome as default browser in our Windows 10 PC. If you're with Windows 11, then jump to 322 timestamp. To do that, we need to search here, Default Apps. Now open it. Scroll down to the web browser section. As you can see, Edge is set as default. Click on Edge and select Google Chrome. Now your default browser is Chrome. That means any application that wants to start a browser, that will start Chrome. In Windows 11, to set Chrome as default browser, search Default Apps. Click on it. Scroll down and click on Google Chrome. Now click on Set as Default. If you have Adobe for PDF files, then don't switch this to Chrome. Now one by one switch from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome like this. Leave the empty sections as they are. Now you're completely done. If you have any questions, comment section is always open for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials.